Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Zone. In today's video, I am going to show you how people are using AI tools to actually make money online. Yes, real money. You don't need coding skills, a fancy degree, or even big investment. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and a little creativity. By the end of this video, you'll have a full list of powerful AI tools that can help you earn from freelancing, YouTube, design, and more. So, let's dive in. Right now, we are living in the golden era of artificial intelligence. IISNT, just about robots or chatbots anymore. It is about helping ordinary people work faster, smarter, and more creatively. And those who understand how to use these tools are already turning them into side hustles and full-time income sources. The first thing you need to understand is that AI is a multiplier. It doesn't make you rich overnight, but it multiplies your skills and effort. If you learn how to use AI tools properly, you can do in 1 hour what used to take 5. And that's why freelancers and creators are using these platforms to earn hundreds and even thousands of dollars every month. Let's start with one of the most powerful and popular AI tools, ChatGPT. Most people only use it for fun or quick answers, but smart users are earning money with it. They're offering services like article writing, script writing, business emails, ad copies, and even resume creation on platforms like Fiverr and Up. If you know how to prompt well and format results professionally, you can deliver high-quality content to clients in minutes. Some people are even using ChatGPT to run full social media pages, writing captions, creating content calendars, and automating replies. And the best part, you don't have to write from scratch anymore. AI gives you the structure, and you just polish it. But writing isn't the only way to make money with AI. Let's talk about design. The new Canva with Magic Studio is absolutely game-changing. It uses AI to design logos, banners, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and even full brand kits automatically. You can literally describe what you want, and Canva creates it in seconds. Many freelancers who couldn't design before are now selling professional-looking graphics online. Imagine creating a logo in 5 minutes and selling it for $20. Do that 10 times a day. And you've got yourself a decent income stream. And the designs are beautiful because the AI understands modern trends, colors, and layouts. Now, let's move into the video world. Pictory AI is one of my favorites because it allows anyone to make YouTube videos without showing their face. You just paste a script or text, and Pictory turns it into a full video, complete with background clips, subtitles, and voiceover. This means you can start a faceless YouTube channel in any niche motivation: tech, stories, news, or even AI tutorials. You don't need expensive equipment or editing skills. Many YouTube automation channels you see today are made completely using tools like Pictory or Synthesia. And once you learn how to do it well, you can even offer this as a service, creating videos for clients, ads, or social media campaigns. People are charging anywhere from $50 to $200 per video. If you're more into visuals and creativity, tools like Midjourney and Leonardo AI can open a new world of opportunity. These tools create stunning digital art, realistic characters, backgrounds, posters, t-shirt, designs, and product mock-ups just from a text prompt. Artists and entrepreneurs are already using them to sell art on Etsy, Redbubble, and stock image sites. You can also design custom graphics for brands, influencers, or content creators. And since AI art can be produced quickly, you can create and upload multiple products every week. It's an amazing way to build passive income while doing something creative. Another AI platform that's quietly helping people earn is Notion. At first, it looks like just a productivity app, but it's much more. With Notion AI, you can create business templates, trackers, planners, and systems that others are willing to pay for. For example, students pay for study planners, entrepreneurs pay for content calendars, and small business owners buy task management templates. You can build these once and sell them again and again. People are earning steady income by selling Notion templates on websites like Gumroad or Etsy. It's all about solving small problems using AI and packaging them nicely. Now, here's a bonus one that many professionals are using: behind-the-scenes Perplexity AI. Think of it as a supercharged version of Google. It can summarize web pages, generate reports, and give you accurate answers instantly. Freelancers use it for research, market analysis, and fast content generation. If you're offering research or writing services, this tool saves you hours every week. And time saved means more projects, more clients, and more income. The secret behind all of this is not just using AI tools. It's knowing how to use them together. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write a script. Then feed that script into Pictory to make a YouTube video, and finally use Canva to design the thumbnail. With this workflow, you can create a complete YouTube video in just one day, something that used to take creators an entire week. Or you can use Midjourney to design art and ChatGPT to write catchy product descriptions, then sell them on Etsy. That's the power of combining AI tools smartly. Now, some people ask, can I really make money with AI? Or is this just hype? The answer is yes, but only if you treat it like a business. AI gives you the tools, but you still need consistency and creativity. If you upload a few designs and stop, you won't see results. But if you build a system, post regularly, and improve your quality, it's almost impossible not to grow. AI gives you speed. Success comes from using that speed wisely. Another big advantage is that AI doesn't care where you live. You could be in a small town or a big city. If you have Wi-Fi, you can compete globally. That's why so many people from around the world are jumping into this AI economy. They're earning dollars online, working from home, and building digital careers. And the earlier you start, the bigger your advantage will be. So, how do you begin? Start simple. Pick one tool that fits your interest. If you like writing, master ChatGPT. If you like visuals, explore Canva or Midjourney. If you like making videos, go with Pictory. Learn, practice, and post your first gig or product. Once you get results, improve your quality, and slowly build your income. Remember, every big creator or freelancer started small. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. It won't do everything for you, but it will make your journey faster and easier. Use it wisely. Stay creative and focus on providing value. People are not paying for AI results. They're paying for your smart use of AI. So if you're ready to turn your free time into profit, start exploring these tools today. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AI Zone, and share this video with someone who wants to earn online, because the future isn't coming. It's already here. And those who use AI now will lead the digital world tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video right here on AI Zone.